So you're welcome to part 2 of rounding of numbers to the nearest tens, hundreds, thousand, million, billion, trillion, quadrillion, and so on and so forth. Now, part 1, we learned how to round numbers simply to the nearest, 10. And that will go a long way to help us to solve problems of greater place value. Let's get right into it. So I have a number like this. So 1, 2, 0, 4. I am supposed to round this number to the nearest tens, and that's going to be 1, 2, 3, comma. Okay, let's put this comma there. So what value is in the tens column? So we just go ones and tens, and that brings us towards the number 4. Exactly. So just take your pen or pencil or your imaginary eye and circle out this number. So this is the number we're talking about. So just take the immediate number after it and circle these two numbers. And combining these two numbers, you have what? 43. Now you ask yourself, 43 to the closest or to the nearest 10 is going to be what? Just round this off to the nearest 10, and that gives us what? 40. Why is it 40? Because 43 is between what? 40 and what? 50. And 43 is closer to 40 than what? So that's how come this is going to be what? 40. So 43 is going to be what? 40. 4, 0. And then the rest of the numbers will come. Okay, so repeat our 0, repeat our 2, and repeat our 1. 1, 2, 3. Come on, that's all. So this is us what? 12,040. Example 2. So this is example 1. Then example 2. Let's say we are rounding this to the nearest round. 43,107. We are rounding this number to the nearest 1,000. Alright? The nearest 1,000. So you just go ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Alright? Thousands. You stop here. And then when you stop here, you just put the number right in front of it. So you just circle these two numbers. So 31 to the nearest 10 gives us what? 30. Okay, because it's closer to 30. Like I said, 31 is between what? 30 and 40. But 31 is closer to 30 than 40. That is why it's what? 30. So this becomes what? You maintain your 4. So 4. Then what? 3, 0, 30. Then the rest of the numbers you return them is what? 0, 0, 0. So 1, 2, 3. So the answer is going to be 43,000. Now, our next example from this question. So let's say example 3. Example 3. You are supposed to round this number. 1, 2, 0, 4, 3. You are rounding this number to the nearest hundreds. Alright? To the nearest hundreds. So we count ones, tens, hundreds. So this 0 falls in the hundreds column. So you pick the number in front of it. Alright? So we add it to this number. So we circle these two numbers together. And we have what? 4. So round 4 to the nearest 10. Is this 4 closer to 10 or 4? 0, 4. We forgot about the 0, 4. But 4 is between 0 and 10. So is 4 closer to 10 or closer to what? 0? Of course, it's closer to what? 0. So this becomes what? 1, 2, 0, 0, 3. So sorry. 0, 0, 0. So at the end of the day, we're going to have what? 12,000 as our answer. So that brings us to our lesson on rounding of numbers to any place value at all. But before you go, try this last example in the comment section for me. Now, round this number. 130724. So, and then add another one, 9. Round this number to the nearest 10,000 in the comment section. I'll see you in the next episode. And in the next episode, we are going to treat integers. I can't wait to treat that with you. It's going to be very, very interesting. Stay tuned and watch for more episodes. Cheers.